Hi everyone, Sustainable Sally here, and I'm with Austen and Ben, and we're at Martogg, and the Bale audit is underway. As you can see behind me here, there's a lot going on, but I wanted to chat to the guys and just ask them, basically, what have you got from it so far?
Yeah, it's been a really interesting exercise for us, and I think more than anything, it shows that there's a big opportunity for polypropylene. Obviously, with that goes 2025 targets just around the corner, and we're focused heavily on RHED and RHDPE. I think, looking at this, it's important to understand that there's huge demand for recycled polypropylene.
Yeah, it's a fascinating one, isn't it?
Back into industrial applications. We know that, we're still importing recycled polypropylene into the country to meet the requirements.
Yeah.
But more than anything, I think looking at this Bale, it's clear that consumers are recycling polypropylene, so it presents a very big opportunity for us both now and moving forward.
Yeah, and what we're seeing here is that there's a lot of it coming through, so it's all being sorted separately. It's getting to us. So what are we going to do with it?
Yeah, well, that's an interesting part as well, Sally, because whilst obviously the ideal long-term outcome is that we can start to use polypropylene back into food grade applications and back into food packaging. And if you look at the APCO targets, you'd be forgiven for thinking we're not doing a great job with recycling and with the uptake of recycled PP. But the reality is here at Martogg and at other businesses, there's a lot of post-consumer polypropylene being recycled, and there's some really fantastic industrial products, some durable, long-term application industrial products being manufactured, things like food and organics bins that I know you spoke about before with Greg, and there's really lots of exciting products. And the other point that I think is really important to make is that whilst perhaps it's not circular at the moment back into food grade, it's circular back into these industrial products, and then if they're designed properly and they're designed to be recycled at the end of life, they can go back into industrial products again. So it's, I think we just don't want to see polypropylene fading out just because it can't meet recycled content targets right now. It's a really highly material that can be used in heaps of different applications. You can alter melt flows, you can impact modify it, you can do so many things. You can colour it. There's just more you can do with it.
And there's an established market for it. We know that. It's nothing new. We've been doing it for some time, as have others.
So Austin, what's the next step? What do we need to do?
Well, I think firstly, we just need consumers to keep doing the great work that they're doing. They need to keep putting the polypropylene in the recycling bin.
Yeah.
But I think what's really important as we're considering, our packaging items and the design of food packaging as we continue moving forward, I think we really got to keep embracing polypropylene. We've got to keep using it. There's obviously reasons. It's a versatile product. It's a really efficient and lightweight product, and suitable into so many different applications. And we need to keep trying to develop industrial applications to keep consuming the polypropylene, in the meantime, which we know a lot of businesses are doing. So I think just keep doing more of what we're doing, but obviously there's a huge opportunity here to go back into food grade.
And there is, but we've got to keep designing it in. We've got to keep designing the process, don't we?
Yes, we have to just keep designing for recyclability. That's the key. And as with everything, it takes time. HDPE is a development. No doubt there'll be more developments on polypropylene as well. And there's clearly a lot of product in here that would make a really great RTP product. So I think just more of the same.
Yeah. So that means the Bale has been very successful.
Yeah, it's been really interesting, and I think there's still a little bit more to do. So we better get back to it.